Hey guys, we're back with another PPF installation on the Tesla Model Y. Today's PPF installation we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be focusing in the back here. So we're gonna do the hatch, which I know everyone will call it a trunk, but when we have it on the system and then you look at our parts, it says hatch. So, and it also comes in 3 different pieces. You got the top, the middle, and the bottom. So today's installation, we're gonna be doing the bottom. So we'll then eventually work our way up. So let's get right into that. Slip solution, spray. Okay. All right, then guys, so that's it for this installation on the PPF. I'm gonna do one tomorrow, so stay tuned for a product. Thank you guys for stopping by with us for this installation. We'll see you guys in the next one.